Welcome to Hybiz News. My name is Suresh Kochatil. It was but natural that an epidemic like COVID-19 will take a toll on the economy. Across the world, including China, the COVID-19 has struck where it hurts. But India, which has been relatively cocooned from the worldwide impact of coronavirus, has 6 confirmed cases as of now and has seen a small spike mainly on account of a group of Italian tourists who have been holed out in Jaipur. When the number of confirmed cases have crossed 80,000 in China, it has spiked to 5,000 in South Korea and 2,000 in Italy, which is the third largest among the reported number of cases. The limited spread in India, despite the dense population and subpar hygiene in an urban center, leaves a question mark. While screening lakhs of people coming from affected countries and forming travel advisories and quarantine suspected cases and clearing misconceptions have helped, experts are wondering if weather has any role to play in kind of stopping the spread of virus in India. Not just the present outbreak of coronavirus, even the earlier epidemics like MERS and SARS and Ebola and the yellow fever, which killed thousands across Asia and America and Africa, had a minimal impact in India. But what is worrying many corporates in the country and across the world was the kind of news that we reacted to yesterday, when we saw a panic in building number 20 in Raheja Mindspace in the IT district of Hyderabad. Many companies in the building and even the ones around it pressed the panic button, and employees were asked to leave immediately from their workplaces and a virtual curfew was imposed. Was this really required? Was this panic actually essential? The Cyberabad police had to issue a warning by way of a tweet asking people not to believe in rumors and warned of strict action against those who are spreading misinformation, which I think is very, very essential. Which brings me to the question, why this panic? No doubt COVID-19 is something that can spread from an infected person to those in close proximity by way of a sneeze or a cough. But it will leave the viruses on surfaces and objects and not a direct person-to-person transmission. The need of the hour, as medical experts say, is to maintain an enhanced level of personal hygiene. Those who have a recent history of international travel should maintain a requisite home quarantine before they report to the workplace. Yes, mass groups of people should not be allowed to congregate. As we've seen in India too, many places have cancelled their programs. The London Book Fair, for example, which was scheduled to take place next week, has been cancelled due to fear of the coronavirus. Over 25,000 people were expected to attend. Even BJP President Amit Shah had to call off his public meeting on 15th of March in Hyderabad. The latest COVID-19 figures say China added 139 confirmed cases as of yesterday and 31 new deaths, bringing the total number to infected to around 80,409 and those who died at 3,012. There are also 143 new suspected cases, while 2,189 people have been discharged. Predictably so, the rate of infection in China continues to plateau, but it is spiking in places like South Korea and Italy, which is a major cause for worry. Even US is not being spared from it. The plague, for example, which at one time had played havoc with the health of millions centuries ago, had decimated countries across the world. And definitely, coronavirus is something that will not be of the similar extent. My advice to each one of you is to maintain personal hygiene, avoid crowded areas, and in case you feel unwell, consult a doctor. But don't panic. That's important. Thank you for watching.